Did you know nearly 20% of all emails sent by legit business owners never reach anyone? They either end in spam folders or disappear completely. You could be writing amazing emails, have great offers, killer subject lines, but none of that matters if they never hit the inbox. Look, if people don't see your email, they won't open it, they won't click it, and of course, you won't make any money. Most business owners don't even realize this is happening. They just assume people aren't opening their emails when in reality, their messages are being blocked before they're ever seen. 90% of the time, it's not your writing, it's your deliverability, because spam filters are brutal. One small mistake in your setup and your message goes straight to junk. But here's the good news, you can fix it fast. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 3 golden rules that guarantee your emails get delivered. Let's get into it. Rule number 1, use a professional email plus website. If you're still sending marketing emails from a Gmail or Yahoo address, that's your first red flag. Email providers like Apple Email and Outlook are constantly asking one question: can I trust this sender? If your email doesn't match your business domain, they assume you're a spammer. And once you're marked that way, every message you send afterwards has to fight uphill just to be seen. If you don't have one already, what the hell are you waiting for, man? Get a professional domain, something like yourbusiness.com, and create a matching address like jake@yourbusiness.com. Make sure your website is live, looks professional, and clearly represents your brand. That alone tells inboxes this sender runs a real business. It boosts your trust score instantly. I use Namecheap to set mine up, but you can also use places like HostGator or GoDaddy or Google Workspace, in case you already have a business subscription with them, of course. Once your website is live, make sure your professional email address is authenticated by setting up ESPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Think of these like digital security stamps that tell inboxes, hey, this sender's legit. You can set demand through your domain host, meaning Namecheap or GoDaddy or the domain host you picked, or ask your email platform to help. A live website plus authenticated email equals inbox success. Skip this step and you're practically asking to get flagged as spam. Which brings us to step 2, because once your professional foundation is in place, the next question is, what's the right tool to actually send those emails? Golden rule number 2 is pick a good email delivery tool. Every successful email strategy has a powerful tool doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes. People call these ESPs, which stands for email service providers, but I prefer to call them for what they really are: email marketing platforms. This software is the engine that powers your entire email system. It helps you manage your list, automate campaigns, and track performance, all while protecting your sender reputation. If you're serious about email marketing, you need one of these. Don't be the fool blasting mass emails from Gmail or Outlook. That's the fastest way to get flagged as spam. Most of these tools offer a free plan for lists under 500 subscribers, so there's no reason not to use them. You gotta understand that these platforms exist for a reason. They're built to handle bulk sending safely, maintain trust with inbox providers, and make sure your emails actually get delivered. The problem is there are too many options out there. Everyone says theirs is the best, and you end up wasting hours comparing features that barely matter. The truth is, most tools do the same thing. What really matters is ease of use, your budget, and the type of business you run. If you run an e-commerce brand, go with something like Klaviyo or Omnisend. They're built to handle product-based automations and customer data. If you're in services like coaching or info products, or if you're like a doctor, a lawyer, or whatever, tools like System.io, MailChimp, or ActiveCampaign are more than enough. They are affordable, beginner-friendly, and can scale with you as you grow. Start with one that feels intuitive and fits your budget. You can always upgrade later. Don't overthink it. The goal is to start sending, not spend weeks comparing software. And one pro tip, once you've chosen your tool, warm up your email account by sending your first few emails to a small group. If you need it, your platform support team can advise you on how to do this. Personally, I use System.io for both my website and emails because it keeps everything under one roof, so I'm not juggling multiple platforms. But even the best platform can't save you if your list is full of dead or fake emails. So next, let's talk about how keeping your list clean can instantly double your deliverability. Golden rule number 3 is keep your email list clean. If your email list is full of fake addresses, bounced emails, or people who unsubscribed months ago, you're actually hurting your sending reputation every time you hit send. Do this often, and inbox providers will start thinking, man, this sender keeps blasting people who never open. Must be a spammer. For context, a bounce means an address that can't receive mail, often because the inbox runs out of free storage space and the user abandoned it. Keep sending emails to those accounts and your deliverability reputation will tank. Even your most loyal readers will stop receiving your messages. So make it a habit to clean your list regularly. That means removing unengaged subscribers and verifying new ones to make sure they are real active addresses. Every 90 days, remove anyone who hasn't opened or clicked, but don't delete them completely. Move them along with your unsubscribed contacts into a separate inactive list. I'll show you how to re-engage them in a future video, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one. Look, most email marketing tools have built-in features to filter subscribers by engagement and flag bounce emails, so this process is quite simple. If you're not sure how to do it, check the help section or contact support. It's usually just a few clicks. For extra accuracy, use a verification tool like verifyemail.org or verifalia.com to remove fake and bounce emails. Do this at least once a month. It costs around $7 per 1,000 emails, and it's absolutely worth it to keep your deliverability high. Oh, yeah, and one last thing to really nail this. Never in the world buy email lists or add people who didn't opt in to receive your messages. Otherwise, you will get marked as a spam and even banned from your email marketing platform. So, only email people who gave you permission. That means people who opt in through your sign up forms, lead magnets, or people that are past customers. That way, everyone on your list genuinely wants to hear from you. If you're wondering what kind of lead magnet actually attracts dream clients instead of random subscribers, so you can finally grow an email list that buys from you, check the next video somewhere here around the screen, where I'll show you my number 1 tactic to create a list of dream clients and turn them into buyers. Go watch that one next. Peace.